guys, welcome to the demo video of AI Ninja Cashout. So first of all, it's an app where you can make limitless money using multi-billion-dollar video streaming websites. So let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, here is the login page. Just log in. I have already created my account and I'm entering my ID and password. So here it is. Now here's the dashboard of AI Ninja Cashout. So just click on API channels and now click on Facebook and just log in with Facebook. Now just click on continue, and as you can see my account is imported now. Also there's a lot of other platform like Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, WordPress. So just import your account like this. I have already added my account. Alright, here's my Twitter account, here is my WordPress account. You can just click import account and your account will be added like this. So now just click here for stream now. Here it is, and let me show you how you can first streaming with YouTube. Just click here and click on social account. Now import your account, sign in with Google, and now click here. Now click on AI Ninja Online. Alright, and just click on continue. Alright, now so as you can see the YouTube is now added. Now click on channel manager. Alright, here is the channel manager. You have to just upload the video here. Just click on actions. Now click on upload new video. So here how you can stream your video on YouTube. Just enter the title, how I make $1 with this app, right? So and video description, you don't have to create any video description. There is an AI. So just click here, click on AI content generator. Alright, now click on add content, make money online, enter your title here, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Just enter like this and click on save. Alright, now click on result and just copy this and close. And you can paste the description here. Here is the description. You can just see like this. Alright, now here it is. Now click on video category. Like my video is related to events. Like click on public, select the time zone. Time zone is like this, and now click to upload video. I have already created the video here. Just click on here and my video is uploaded. Now click on create campaign. Alright, it's loading right now. So as you can see my video is uploaded on YouTube and I have already scheduled the time.